casual funeral. Don't be alarmed. It's not that unusual, I can say. We're gonna be here all someday.
Going down to the casual funeral. Don't be alarmed, it's not that unusual. I can say we're gonna be here all someday. Remember when you slammed the door? Next thing I know I'm down on the floor. And you said, I'm gonna shoot our head right off. You put the coffins back into the ground. I came back to life and made the sound. And then you can tell, why can you fool yourself? We did them down for so long, going down to a casual funeral. Don't be alarmed, it's not that unusual. I can say we were just here yesterday. Going down to a casual funeral. Don't be alarmed, it's not that unusual. I can say we were just here yesterday. Going down to a casual funeral. Don't be alarmed, it's not that unusual. I can say we were all here yesterday. And then it's over. shall sound beneath the sighs, echoes of the past still rise. For red-haired ghosts with guns near, this would so good as an own I in here. Oh, come near, all fans were lost in love. Lord in my sight, I think it must really go of the spirits we're saving. Why the playmen swear strive? Once on foot before smile, still taking part of woe. Wait till off me from all the sea, so without word or heed and care of wind blows and the ripple surges under the defender. I'm near dear, my fans are upset. Must we go on the spirits we're saving? Every coffin's float where dreams must part, yet in my soul she stays apart. As long as the water sings her name, I will never forget her flame. Oh, come near, all fans lost in love. On the silence, longing and aching, must we let go of the spirits we're saving?
Dreams now die. You talk so loud, but you don't know what you're about. Courageous style, act all wise, but you're just another in disguise. Fancy words won't break your fall when pretension makes you feel so small. Always clutching words, la 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 la, oh dear. Twirling syntax like a dance in the air, like a peacock with a chandelier. Talking gladly about the mundane, with a touch that's so inane.
Till next time, you enjoy myself. Vlog.